Okay, so today we are going to be removing this radiator scoop and putting in a larger cool air intake for no other reason than to get a little bit of airflow into the engine, maybe get a little better gas mileage if we drive right, and a little more power when we need it. So it should be a pretty quick and easy, simple little hour-long project, if that. We're going to remove this, take this whole shield off, reuse this seal, put the new one in, and hopefully have some better performance. So we'll let you know. So we're going to get started. First thing is to take these two bolts out. They are T15s, so might as well get started on that while we talk. And then we got to take a screwdriver or little pry bar of some type and pop out all these plastic clips so this whole piece comes out as one. So as always, thread the screws back so we don't lose them. We'll just put that back there for now. And I have this trim removal tool. See if that works for me. Otherwise, I'll go get a screwdriver. I should use the other side. There we go. It's going to be perfect. So let's pop all these up. And we're going to need a screwdriver for that one. It's down in a hole. Perfect. All right, let me get the rest of these up and we'll get this out. You'll see that here in a second. Okay, so you saw we got the stock one out and the new Stillen one in. All of these were reused. You put them in without pushing the locks down, make sure everything's set and in the right position. Then you can put the locks down. Only one that gave me a little trouble was this one, but it's good in position. So next thing to do is to remove this gasket off the original one. So it's tied in with little hooks. It's not 3M tape. So you just kind of have to pull it forward and work it off of all these clips. So we're going to get this taken off. And once we do that, we will remove this 3M tape and put it in position. Sorry. The other thing to do is there is this additional cover that's not put in place so you can get it around the hood latch. So all you have to do is put this in, and it has two quick and easy clips. So we'll do that right now. There's one and two. So those two are in. That just blocks off that airway, puts a little bit more air in here. So we'll get that seal off and put on, and we'll wrap this up. Okay, so you saw we got that rubber seal taken off, put back on, fits and sticks really nice. Last thing to do is put this sticker, which is identical to the factory sticker, just saying, you know, don't put your hands in here and what kind of refrigerant it is. So we'll get that sticker placed. Right here looks good. Pretty shitty sticker. All right, got that sticker placed. Then we're going to replace the handle so we don't get stuck out of our hood. and then we will start it up and see if it sounds any better. So one last thing to mention, basically what that does is brings a deeper scoop. I know it's going to be hard to see, but a deeper scoop in front of the grill, but it doesn't block the radiator, and that allows more air to just suck up straight in and get forced into the airbox. All right, we got it all put in, closed the hood, and it seals up real nice. Listening to it, definitely sounds smoother. There's way less restriction in there, so we'll take it for a drive and see how it is. But that was a nice, quick and easy little dirty project that we wanted to get done, and we got a road trip coming up here at the end of the month, so that should help out with that. So thanks for watching this quick and short one. Like it if you thought it was a decent video. We'll have some other projects coming up here soon. Thanks.